Welcome to Blender Days. In this video we are going to see about how to create customizable multiple viewports in Blender. This is the Blender 2.93.4 interface look like when you open Blender. I am using XSI theme. How to apply theme? Please refer my previous video. Your Blender default scene contains camera, cube and light. The right side top, this is called scene collection panel. It contains the list of objects, the list of items present in the scene. In this collection panel, we can show, hide objects by clicking on the eye icon next to the object name. This is called N bar. When you press N key on your keyboard, it shows and hides. Blender has many workspaces organized in a tabbed manner. The default workspace is called Layout. The next one is Modeling, Sculpting, UV Editing, Texture Painting, Shading, Animation, Rendering, Compositing, Geometry Nodes and Scripting. New users of Blender may be curious about why Blender doesn't have many viewports as other popular 3D programs has. In Blender, users can create as many as viewport they needed. Here I am duplicating the Layout tab and then name it as 4 viewport. Again, I am duplicating the 4 viewport tab and renaming by double clicking on the label as 3 viewport. Now I am going to show how to make 4 viewports. Go to the border of the viewport and right click on the border line. A small split pop-up menu appears. From there you can select vertical split. A vertical guide moves along with your cursor. Just click on the middle of the viewport. That's all, you have splitted the viewport into 2. Again, right click on the border, select horizontal split and click on the right side of the viewport in the middle part. Right click on the border, select horizontal split and click on the left side of the viewport in the middle part. That's it, you have created a 4 viewport workspace like other popular 3D programs. To customize the viewport, by hovering on the viewport, by pressing the Tilde key on your keyboard, it opens the 8-sided view pop-up menu. From that, select top. In the right side top viewport, select front. In the left side bottom viewport, select left. In the right side bottom viewport and select view camera or view selected, or select any other views as you needed. To change the viewport to the perspective viewport, just click the middle mouse button, drag to orbit the viewport. To save this viewport, go to File menu, Defaults, then select Save Startup File. Again click Save Startup File. Now it's time to create 3 viewport. For 3 viewport, first I am splitting as horizontal. Then I am doing vertical split at the top portion alone. You can customize the viewport as you needed. Use this viewport to show the shaded result. For bottom window, user can customize by pressing the editor type button. There you can select texture node, editor or shader editor, anything as you needed. Zoom in and zoom out by pressing your mouse scroll wheel. To delete workspace, just right click on the name of the workspace and select delete. If you want to go back to the default Blender workspace, File, Defaults, Load Factory Settings, again click on Load Factory Settings. If you like to keep your workspace, always save it as your startup file from the file menu. Blender is powerful and also customizable as per user's need. If you like this channel, if this video is useful for you, please click the like button, subscribe button, and please click the bell button to get notified about my new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.